shipping policy, refund policy. Actually, I checked in our description. I didn't find actually.
Okay, then go with.
So
I'm
that I
just giving you that.
want.
I'm just giving you that in the chat box. Go with this.
Okay, okay. And this drop shipping website, we can enroll in this, no? Same we can use same website we can use for
Yes,
drop
yes, you
shipping
can,
as
you
well.
can, you can.
Okay, okay, okay. So just for that menus, I need to decide how I can keep the menus, and also that's why I want you to review it.
Sure, sure.
So
Let's have
once it
one-to-one
is done,
session from Monday. I'm having again one-to-one sessions with you guys. So let's have one-to-one sessions.
okay,
Yeah,
sure.
sure. In AliExpress, the
Because
store started.
I was
Yeah. Yes.
I didn't attended your last 3-4 session, no, so I'm a bit behind. So
Okay, no
that's
issues, no
why.
issues, no issues, no issues. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let me take one more question. AliExpress, the story started this year, June 2020, but the orders and reviews are pretty good. Should we go? Yeah, you can go with that, Sheila. No issues. You can go with that. Mr. Drop Point part again, please. Okay, I'll take that request. Okay, let me talk to Cynthia now. Yeah, Cynthia, go ahead.
Hi, Shashank.
Hi, hi.
Hi. My question is regarding gem pages. So the query is that when I've created a gem page for a product, does it last there even if the trial is over?
No, the trial you need to pay. You need to be a a paid subscriber. Then that will come up. Yeah.
For example, I've made this product page for which
for Pagefly you can go ahead with that. Okay, one page is free of cost. Even if you're not a paid subscriber, for Pagefly you can do that. For gem pages you need to be a paid subscriber.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And I would request you to please review my store, because when I add a product to the cart, I'm not able to check out.
No
and
issues.
those
No issues.
icons,
what happens is,
even
yeah, I got your issue. What exactly happens is you're doing it from India, right? And you're doing from your own platform, and also you're doing from India. So the problem is always there.
Okay.
What you can do is, did you connect your, PayPal to your website perfectly?
Yeah. Long time back I had done that, but the icons and everything is not showing there. So maybe I connect to a VPN and ask.
Let's do one thing. Book a call with me on Monday. Okay, maybe I can help you there. Okay, yeah, I'll help you there.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So guys, Akib, yeah, go ahead. Akib, go ahead.
Yes, Shashank. There are two questions from my side. The first one is, how do I, whether my PayPal account is, successfully linked? And the second question is, I forgot what is that. Okay, that is the first question.
Okay, the PayPal is linked, right? In your admin section, when you check the payment section in your admin panel, right? Then you'll be able to see Express Checkout activated. Okay, where it will show you 2% charges or 3% charges or 1.5% charges, something they'll deduct from your account. That's how it is, something like that. If you are getting that particular indication, that means your PayPal account is done.
Can you just show one of your
Okay, do one thing. I'll can you share the screen? Just check if you can share the screen. Do you get an option of sharing the screen?
No, Shashank, I'm actually not in front of my laptop now.
Okay, then let's do one thing, Akil. Let's book a one-to-one call and just solve that, okay?
Sure. Everyone will have a one-to-one session, right, Shashank, with you?
No, everybody will have one-to-one session.
Okay. Thank you, Shashank. That's the second question.
Okay, do we have other payment methods in addition to PayPal? If you have a registered company, then yes, you can have. If you're not a registered company, then no. PayPal is doing good. Okay, on AliExpress, there are only range of products. How to know the actual price of the product which you are going to buy? Just stay. I'm going to answer that. How do you target country? That's in the Facebook marketing. I'm going to train you that if you didn't get trained on that. What do you suggest the ideal price range of products? We should focus on the targeting in the beginning. Into 2.5, into 3. For example, you're getting a product for $10. Increase it by 20, increase it by 2.5, that is $25. That's what it is. I think droppoint.site can show non-dropshipping products also. No, it's completely into dropshipping. Can you please tell the password again? U84 capital B GOST. Shamsundar, don't worry about gem pages. I'm going to train you there. Okay. There's another batch sitting over here. Did we cover Shashank? No, we didn't cover gem pages. Don't worry about that. If you purchase the Shopify plan, will publish our store? Yes. We'll publish your store as soon as you purchase the Shopify plan. You're supposed to stay the story of you lost around 20 lakh initially. Okay, Kiran, I'm going to tell you that. Don't worry. Do we need GST? No. How to and when should I register a company? After you are crossing around $10,000, right? $10,000 a month, then you can go ahead and register your own company. Okay, I'm going to tell you maybe viabox.com is the website. Sorry, viabox.com is the website where you can go and register your company there. Okay. Please share the payment gateway rather than PayPal. If you are a registered company, then you can go with Stripe. You can go with Stripe. You can get the other platforms as well if you're a registered company. Okay, that's all from my side, guys. Any more questions? If I found a product which is winning currently from other competitors, can we copy the product page? Yes, you can do that. Nobody is stopping you. Yes, you can do that. Any more questions? Okay, people asked me, people just asked me, Indian company registration will work here. Yes, Indian company registration will work. Okay, guys, people asked me, can we have InstaMozo for payments? No, InstaMozo is only for India. InstaMozo does not accept international payments. Can you share how to use droppoint.site? I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, guys, people who wanted to know how to use droppoint.site, let me know in the chat box. Let me type me in the chat box if you wanted to know how to use droppoint.site. Okay, please share the user ID and password. Okay, I'm sharing the user ID and password again. Droppoint.site. Okay, droppoint.site. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. How about Razorpay? Yes, you can use Razorpay, but people don't believe Razorpay. That's the username and password. Just go ahead and Vimal, that's for you. Droppoint.site, Shashank 0029 U84 capital GOST is the password. Okay, guys. Now I'm directly jumping into droppoint.site. What do we use ViaBox for? ViaBox for is registering your own company in US. If you wanted to register a company in US, then go for ViaBox. Okay. Or else, okay, I'm going to share much more details, guys. Okay. If you are very serious about registering your own company, then I can suggest you go with Delaware Inc. This is the company responsible for incorporation of your business in USA, United States of America. They'll charge you around $179. I do it for my clients basically. They'll charge you around $179 and you can register your own company there. They'll give you SSN number, social security number also. With that particular number, you can register your own company there, okay? And I can give a small hack as well, guys, but I'm not sure if that hack is working fine with you right now. I'm not sure. Stripe at last, yes, perfectly said, Stripe at last. If you purchase Shopify plan, it starts publishing automatically. Yes, Ravi. Okay, guys, done. So now I'm at droppoint.site. Guys, I'll take your question and answers later. But please, let's go ahead with the class. Okay. Can't I use Indian company? Yes, you can use Indian company for Stripe, but I'm not sure Stripe is okay for India. Okay, guys. So this is droppoint.site. Currently, I'm working on this particular site. Okay. Which I gave you the ID and password of this particular site already. Okay. That dropshipping is much more effective where you can see good number of orders. Okay. Now what I'm trying to tell you here is, please understand, guys, please don't put any message in the chat box. It is distracting me. Please understand. On which name? That will be SSN. Guys, I'll tell you. Just wait. Okay, just wait. I will answer each and every question. Just wait. Please understand this now. Let me concentrate on droppoint.site. After that, you can ask your questions. Done. So this particular website is droppoint.site, which is on which I'm currently running up. I already gave you the ID and password. Okay, just go ahead and have some sort of research on the products. Okay, now don't believe droppoint.site products very easily, because I'm telling you it very clearly right away. Whatever products you're seeing it right now here. Okay, for example, if I'm clicking on winning Ali products, right? If I'm clicking on winning Ali products, sorry. Okay, clicking on winning Ali products, it will show me all the winning products here. And you can see next winning product drop will be in 3 hours, 33 minutes, 57 seconds from now. So in this particular time, you can be able to see one more winning product coming up here. So every day they are going to have winning products, okay, available for you guys. So here 23 hours ago, that's almost 1 day ago, they added this particular product. Okay, they added this particular product. Now if you wanted, according to droppoint.site, this particular product is winning product. Okay, but do not believe it blindly. So what I'm trying to tell you here is just click on view option. You'll be redirected to AliExpress here. Okay, you'll be redirected to AliExpress here. Check the product thoroughly. Okay, this is related to Yoganish, I guess. Yeah, this is related to Yoganish. Okay, this is a nice product for me. 4.9 is the rating, around 690 orders already. So what you need to do is just check it in Asifi, whether this particular product is getting good number of orders or not. Yes, this particular product started getting good number of orders. 100 sales almost yesterday. Yesterday, this particular product is already getting 100 sales. If you wanted to wait for one more day. Let me tell you one important point. Wait for one more day. If 1 or 2 more days, if the products are hitting 100 consistently for 2 days or 3 days, then start working on this particular product. So I use the same technique, guys. Let me tell you one important point. I use the same technique. I don't believe these type of spy tools which will give you all the details of winning products. If that is the case, every drop shipper in complete world will be earning a lot of money. So what I do is I'll check it in Asifi tool right now. Okay, after that, okay, for consistently around 2 to 3 days of time. If it is consistent, then I'll try advertising this particular product. Okay, that's how I validate. Okay, I got this as well. Let me check this particular product now. Okay, novelty RC Ninja Viper remote control robot. It's like a robot, it seems. Let me check it. Okay, internet issues. Okay, no issues. This particular product is also okay to go, but I'm not trusting it. Russian Union, okay, 23%. So yeah, okay to go. You can also check this particular product if you wanted to check. So this is how I check it, guys. We already saw this particular product yesterday. Okay, maybe you can check this particular product. What is this particular product all about? Okay, not that great, not that great product. Russian Union 100%. Okay, not that great product to work with. Okay, anyways, that's how you work on droppoint.site, and you have the other advertisement as well, winning advertisements. Which are the product is winning right now? Whichever product has got good number of traction, that is, good number of what is a good number of likes, comments, reviews, whatever it is, you can see here. Obsessive compulsive disorder, it's necessary to eliminate uneven flows. You can target the people who work in buildings, maybe contractors. You can target. Check this out. Check this particular product, guys. Just go ahead with this particular product and check this particular product right now, right here. So if you can see this is the latest product, 9th October, 16.2. Sorry, that's the time. Okay. Just check this particular product. It has got around 10K views, 1.5K comments. Just click on this. Just click on this. And sorry, let me check in the comments here. Okay, see this. 1 day ago, in order to celebrate upcoming Halloween, all the products have solid reduced price with minimum price of description of. Okay, let me do something like this. Most relevant, I'll go with the newest comments. Okay, if it is cheap, then I smell a rat. Okay, the tool is very practical and the price is cheaper than the ones in the store. Is this $58.95? So if you can see 1 hour ago as well, people are asking questions on this. You have different specifications and purchase them is needed. Okay, people are asking 39 minutes ago, there was a small discussion there. Okay, give more comments. See this, people are tagging, people are getting some nice traction here. I'm thinking these are too good to be true. What's your thoughts? Okay, people are talking about this. People are getting engaged in this particular product. Okay, it cannot level a tile as once it's released. It will revert to the original position to work or break. Okay, let me check. This should is used before the adhesive dries. Okay, the tile will also stick tightly to the adhesive. No, it will not. Okay, this is tool which just pulls the two tiles horizontally together without generating bubbles. Nice product. Okay, people are actually commenting on this, and this is one of the good products that is selling out right now. So how do you find this particular product? Okay, now what we can do is let's go to this particular website right now. Control C. Sorry, where is that? Let's copy this and let's open it over here. Let's open it over here. Okay, they're selling it for $29.98. Okay, one piece adjustable. Okay, $59.98 is the highest price. So adjustable suction cup. Okay, let me copy this and let me go to AliExpress and check this particular product. So this is how I basically do research, guys. I'm spending a lot of time on having a research on the product. Okay. Yeah, I got some. Let me click on good number of orders here. No, not this particular product. Adjustable suction cup. Okay. What do you call this particular product, man? Okay, let me check what to call this particular product. Okay, let me click on this. Content is not available at the moment. Let me click on this. Dent remover, is that true? Do you call this as dent remover? Do you call that as dent remover? Okay, I guess this particular website is very new website. Okay, let me click on this. Oh my God, you can also save the video, man. Come on, nice. You can also download the video. You can use it for yourself. Don't you think this is great? Nice, man. Nice tool. Nice tool. Image search might work. That's the purpose. False style remover. Okay, let me. Nice suggestions. Let me. Okay, tile adjuster. Let me type in tile adjuster. Tile adjuster. Let me work on this keyword. I'm almost close, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I got this. What do people call this? What do people call this? Adjustable suction cup. Okay, adjustable suction cup. Let me go ahead and type in the same thing. Adjustable suction cup. And AliExpress SEO is so bad, man. No. Okay, let me check if I get AliExpress. No, I'm not getting AliExpress car this thing, but Just go ahead and check this particular product, guys. I'm not sure about this particular product. Search for the tile alignment tool. No, not tile alignment tool. Anyways, work on this particular product, guys. Drawpoint.site claims that this is one of the winning advertisements on Facebook. Yes, it's a winning advertisement on Facebook. Yesterday we saw this particular product. Okay, this particular product is also working great. Okay, so let me click on this. Let me go to the website. Okay, Flawless CC Cream Foundation. Control C. I got it. Good number of orders. We'll click on this. On this. That great sales, but maybe I just went to a different product, maybe. Okay, so we can also check this, guys. You can also check all these particular products. What is this? An incredible gift. Who will give it? Gifting will work now. Nice product, man. Seriously. Wine bottle. This is great, right? This is good, right? How many of you liking this? This is nice, man. Come on. How many of you liking this particular product, man? This looks cool for gifting. This looks cool for gifting. Lucky draw useful. Lucky draw useful. Really looking good, Shashank. How can we add images like this on the page? You'll directly get it from AliExpress, man. Sagar, you are going to directly get from AliExpress. You can directly import these particular images from AliExpress. I'm going to tell you a tool, don't worry. Okay, guys. So this is how you work on Droppoint. Okay, any more questions on Droppoint? Let me know in the chat box. Any questions on Droppoint? Let me know in the chat box. So if it is good, let me go ahead with private vendors today. Let me go ahead with private vendors. Done. Okay, then I'll go with private vendors. Before that, I'll allow to take 2 minutes break, guys. Give me 2 minutes break. I'll be back in 2 minutes. After that, we will do private vendors. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay, if we identify a particular product on AliExpress, then we have to inform our vendor to arrange your vendor or to arrange a drop shipping that particular product. Yes, sir. I'll tell you the process right away. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you the okay, right. Let me share my screen. So I'll tell you the process right now. How do you approach a private vendor? One of my best private vendor is Hyperscoop. Okay, hyperscoop.com, which is one of the best private vendors, which I'm using currently right now. Okay, and also you can use Source Inbox. You can also use Source Inbox. This is the other private vendor. Okay, this both works very good. Let me log in. So I'm going to tell you how do you work with these people. Just need to confirm that as of now we have using Overflow only. Yes, we are using Overflow only, but this particular vendor, as I told you, will ship the particular product in 2 to 3 days. minimum or 8 to 12 days maximum. So how do you work with these particular people? Okay, understand this, guys. If you're not able to understand, just check the recording once again. So what you do is just go with AliExpress sourcing here on the right. On the left side, you've got something called AliExpress sourcing. For example, if you wanted to work with this particular product, okay. For example, you wanted to work with this particular product. Let me take one product, one nice product, guys. So, okay, let me do one thing. Let me go to droppoint.site. Let me go to droppoint.site. Okay, let me go to winning Ali products. Okay, let me take one product for you. Let me tell you how do you process with that. Okay. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me take the product which I gave you. Just give me a second. I gave vendor itself is Hyperscoop. Okay, let us work on this particular product right now. Okay, for example, you love the concept, and you wanted to scale up this particular product because it's getting good number of orders here already. Okay, getting good number of orders already. So if you wanted to work on this, Overload is also a vendor. Yes, Overload is also a vendor. Okay, now understand this, guys. For example, you wanted to ship this particular product. What you need to do is just copy this. Sorry. Let me refresh. Okay. Just copy this particular URL, Control C, go to Hyperscoop and put this URL here. Put this URL here and just save. Okay. Now, what did I do right now is I asked Hyperscoop whether this particular product is there with you or not. So pending sourcing. After that, it will go to sourcing in process. Okay. After that, it will create a code. For example, the code for my previous products are here. The code for my previous products are here. If you can see this, I asked Hyperscoop to work on this particular product and give me a code. Okay, this particular thing is related to Yoganish. Okay, Yoganish. I wanted to advertise this particular product and get good number of sales, but I didn't do it. Okay, I asked Hyperscoop if you can ship this particular product. Okay, ship this particular product. Hyperscoop said yes, we can ship this particular product and gave me a code. Just click on view option here. It will give me all the details right now. See this. Okay, you wanted to sell, get discount, or just click on view shipping here. View shipping. If you can see this, they're charging a lot of money. Okay, for example, the delivery day is in between 4 to 6 days. They're charging around $37.13. 8 to 10 days, $33.07. They're actually costing us a lot to United States of America. But if you can ship it, if you ask them to ship it to Russia, $18.54. It's between 7 to 20 days of time. Maximum it will go in 7 days only. And whichever country you wanted to ship. Spain, for example. For Spain, they are charging around this much amount of money extra for shipping. So based upon this, you can take a decision whether to ship this particular product or not. Okay. For example, this particular product, if you can see view shipping, see 8 to 12 days, they're only charging $9.95 extra, but the product will reach in 8 to 12 days of time to United States of America. For example, you wanted to do it to Russia, let's see, Russia. So the product goes in $7.96 in 7 to 20 days. They also give you the tracking. Yes, tracking is also available here. Okay. For example, you wanted to sell it to India. For example, India is here. Let me check in India here. How much do they charge for India? No, they are not shipping it to India anyways. So this is how you check it, guys. So what exactly you do is first you request Hyperscoop to give the details. Okay. Then after that, that will go to sourcing in process. They'll check in warehouse whether this particular product is available or not. Okay. And after that, the quote is created. Here is a quote. For example, if you wanted to check this out, just click on this. See this. See this. In 8 to 12 days, in 4 to 6 days, they are going to ship the particular product to United States of America. Okay, so based upon this, you can go ahead, and if they say they do not have anything in their warehouse, I asked them to source particular products. They said they do not have these particular products with them, they cannot source it. So this is how they do it. So quote created. For example, if you wanted to have some discount, just click on this. Just click on this, see, get discount. Okay, sales quantity, how much you are selling. Okay, 1 to 5. Country, which country you wanted to sell it to? United States of America. Okay, just give them your email ID here, just a confirm. They'll send you an email. Just check that email, and they'll give you some discount coupons there. Use the discount coupons and get discounts in shipping as well. If you wanted to sell this, just click on sell. Are you sure you wanted to sell this product? Okay. Okay, so success. Okay, you can go ahead and you can sell this particular product on your search. Say okay, tips successful. Okay, now this particular product will be there in your Shopify store, because this particular website and Shopify stores will be linked as soon as you create a Hyperscope account. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Just go ahead with hyperscope.com and create your own account there. As soon as you create your own account, it will ask you the Shopify address. Just go ahead and give the Shopify details to this. Okay, just go ahead and give the Shopify details. That's your store ID details and all. Now your store and Hyperscope will be connected to each other, and you can do this particular process. Okay. Now, for example, if you want Hyperscope to tell you what sort of products are selling most right now, you have called as smart sourcing here, something like smart sourcing. Sorry. Let me go to products. You can see, search for the product. So if you can see the best sellers and all here, you can see the best sellers and all here. If you can see this, all are these best sellers. Okay. And they're guaranteeing you the delivering 8 to 12 days, 8 to 12 days, 8 to 12 days, 8 to 12 days. And okay, just click on search products. You'll get all the details here. Whatsoever category you wanted to go with. Just go with watches, for example. You wanted to sell a watch, for example. It will give the details of all the watches that you can sell it right away. Okay, these are the different products, man. These are different products which are there with watches, and you can set up the price as well here. Okay, if you wanted to deliver any product under 7 business days, it's here. Okay, let me go back again. For example, if you are at health and beauty, if you wanted to do it on health and beauty, just click on health and beauty here. You'll get some products related to health and beauty here. If you can see this, Okay, this particular product was doing great. This particular product was doing great. Let me click on this particular product, and these particular products are already there with Hyperscope. And see this. To United States of America, they're charging around $11.04 extra, but it is delivered in 8 to 12 days of time. Okay, if you wanted to import to the list, you can directly import to the list, and from there you can import to your store. But if you wanted to do it for a different country here, for example, now Russia is doing great in drop shipping, so Russia, $8.71 only. It will give you a tracking ID as well. You can share that particular tracking ID with your customer as well. Okay. Any more questions still here, guys? Okay, what's this particular product? Vimal, I'll take that. Vimal, I'll take that. See now, this particular product cost is $2.94. The shipping is only just 4.51. Okay. This is regarding makeup. Okay. So this is one of the private vendors we're talking about. After getting the code, we need to add the particular product cost in our store. Yes, Ravi. Yes, fast shipping. Why are we using Hyperscope when we can do the same thing with Oberlo as well? What is USP for Hyperscope? Oberlo is taking around 30 to 50 days of time to ship the particular product to the customer. Time is almost 7 to 15 days of time. Yes. Okay, Raja has some questions. How much time will it take for the code to reply? Around 1 to 2 days of time. Shipping price is looks costly. It is around $10 to $20. Is that fine? Yes. The shipping cost will be changed according to the product. Yes. Okay. If the particular product is not available, what's the next step? We are going to have with a different vendor. If the particular product is not with this particular person, you can have the different vendor. How is fulfillment.com? I'm listening more about fulfillment.com right away, but I didn't work on fulfillment, man. I'll have to check that for you. Okay, product has gone out of stock. That's not possible. You can go ahead with a different vendor in that case. Okay. Sagar says, I think if I wanted to ship to USA and AliExpress warehouse is inside USA, in that case, I think we cannot use Hyperscoop. Anyways, if AliExpress warehouse is there in USA right away, AliExpress will tell you that you can ship this particular product in less amount of time. But it's not doing like that. It's taking around 30 to 50 days of time to ship the particular product. Can we sell something that we can buy it from India and send it to US? Or you can also do that, but shipping cost is too much. Shipping cost is too much. For that, you can use EDHL concept. Okay. How will we be able to know whether this particular product has got out of stock? Okay, let me talk about this. Let me share the screen again for you and let me talk about this particular issue. Guys, I told you, right, Q&A section, use Q&A section, right? I'm not able to see chat. The quotation included shipping plus product or only shipping. The quotation includes product with shipping. Use Q&A section, guys. Okay. If you identify a particular product, then we have to inform our vendor, yes. How will we able to know if the vendor has gone out of stock? I'm going to tell you that right away. It's shipped from USA, right? We cannot say that. Okay, I have sent you the screenshot of Hyperscoop response. What's the response? No sourcing, no sourcing, no sourcing. Okay, don't worry. Then you can go with source inbox. Then you can go with other vendor source inbox or CJ dropshipping. Means the product cost 2.5 plus margin, including yes. No, the product is not costly. Work on the mathematics again. Is there any substitute for AliExpress? No, as of now. I can give you one, guys. I can give you one. I can give you a US supplier. How many of you are interested in getting a US supplier? Let me know in the chat box. How many of you are interested in getting a US supplier? But that's come for a cost, guys. But that comes for a cost. Okay, this particular company will give you all the details of US suppliers, so we can say this. And the pricing is too much. Okay, annually you need to pay $67. If you wanted to take it lifetime, $127. Okay, let me log in and showcase for you. Okay, let me log in first. I'm not sure if it is still working. I took it long way, guys. I took it for one of my clients. I do not know if it is working right now. Let me try once again. Central Marketing. gmail.com. Okay, guys, it's not working right away. I can give you this, but I need some time. Okay. Okay, this is the website I was talking about, salewho.com. Okay, salewho.com. I'm not able to log in. If you can give me 2 minutes of time, I can get you the details. Yes. Can you give me 2 minutes of time? Now let me know. I cannot give you the details of this, but I can show you some stats. Okay, but I can show you some stats. I cannot give you details, but I can show you some stats. Yeah. So this is how SaleWho looks like. Okay, this is how the SaleWho looks like. Okay, for example, you're looking for something like baby. Just type in baby here. You'll get all the suppliers of US here. baby products. Okay, if you can see this particular, it also includes drop shippers as well. Just click on this. You'll find all the products from this particular company. Okay, just go to product catalog. So these are the products that they sell. So if you wanted to have a US supplier, let me know. I can give you some company details. You can directly talk to these people and get some details there. Okay. For example, let me go with baby products. Okay, baby products. Okay, yeah, see, ships worldwide, Viking wholesale. You can see the product catalog. They dropship as well. They dropship as well. Okay, just click on view catalog. They're not giving anything for us. So this is how US dropshippers, US suppliers are here. You view sell who dropship. Hopes the product is locked. Okay, my system. So this is what I used to use before, guys. I'm not using it right now. Okay, I used to use before for my US dropshipping clients. Okay, if you can say this, my suppliers. These are all my. These were my suppliers. Okay, I used to sell sunglasses and all. You can see this. Just click on this. I'm not able to go. See this. See the product catalog. See this. So these were the products which were already sold out. Okay, number of years, no minimum order at all. You can sell it for the product ranges from $0 to $50. You can suppliers, dropshippers are all called dropship it. Okay, wide range of products. If you can see this, you can easily sell around $50-$60. You can easily sell around $50-$60. So let me know if you wanted to have any more details on SaleWho, but I cannot share the ID and password. Let me know the details of the sellers you need on the private WhatsApp. I'll give you the details of these particular people. Okay, I can help you with that. Rajesh said they have a trial, $1 per day for 7 days. I tried maximum vendor required US tax number. No, not required. Don't worry, Rajesh. Get on to one-to-one meeting. Maybe I can solve your issue. Any more questions still now, guys? So that's how you work with HyperScoop. That's how you work with HyperScoop. The other thing is go ahead and work with source inbox as well. Okay, go ahead and work with source inbox as well. What will I do right now is I'll share you the my private vendor who is working with HyperScoop right now. Okay, which is working with HyperScoop right now. I'll give you the Skype details of that particular person who is responsible of taking all my shipments. Okay, I'll give you that particular details in the WhatsApp group description. Okay, I'll give you the details in the WhatsApp group description. Just go ahead and use that and talk to that particular candidate, talk to that particular person on Skype. Okay, to get more details on source inbox and HyperScoop. So these are the two guys. HyperScoop is enough. It's better to have HyperScoop. Let me write in the details, guys. I recommend HyperScoop, source inbox. Okay, CJ dropshipping. So these are the 3 vendors you can have with you, and try to work on these 2 guys. Try to work on these 3. Have detailed levels of HyperScoop and source inbox. Okay. Any more questions? Let me know in the Q&A section. Since shopping cost, okay, I told you that. Yeah, can we automate shipping with HyperScoop? Yes, you can automate the shipping with HyperScoop. Is there a substitute AliExpress? No, as of now, different in e-packet and normal packaging. E-packet reaches the customer more and more quickly, but because this pandemic, every packet is the same. Fuel on POD for international shipments. Fuel takes more than 6 weeks. If you want to do it in less time, how do we do that? You can go ahead with find a private vendor. Maybe you can use Custom Cat, or maybe you can use Cave Express. Maybe you can use Cave Express. The price that you are showcasing product plus shipping on the right side in HyperScoop, yes. Other than HyperScoop and source inbox, any other good suppliers? Can we consider CJ dropshipping? Yes. Yes, Kishore, the above are from dropshipping. The products which we added through AliExpress can be worked with through HyperScrew? Yes. Once we receive the order, it automatically gets notified to HyperScrew? Yes. First, we need to check with HyperScrew and then we'll upload the product in Shopify. Yes, first check with HyperScrew and then upload the particular product with Shopify. Or else you can also do the vice versa. Upload, start selling, and then consult HyperScrew or SourceInbox or CJ Dropshipping. Anyways, you'll find a vendor who is going to source your product. Anyways, any vendor can source your product. Its only thing is time either udhar, that's it. Time either udhar, bas. Shipping time is either udhar, that's it, nothing more. Okay, hope I answered all the questions, guys. Can we calculate how to calculate HyperScrew price? The shipping, the product price into 2.5 plus shipping price of HyperScrew is your price in your Shopify. If I didn't find a designer on Fiverr.com and suppose he's not able to do that job, then will I get refund? Yes, you'll get a refund. Or yes, you can file a refund, no issues. Can you please type price calculation? Okay. Product price plus shipping price. Product price, that is, you need to multiply it into 2.5. into 2.5. Okay, plus shipping price. Yeah, that's your product. That's your complete selling price. If HyperScrew is charging more shipping price, then we could change the rates again. Oh, for example, HyperScrew is charging more, then go and talk to other vendor. That's what I'm telling you. You can talk to other vendor as well. Find if which of the vendor is giving you the best price. Do they steal money like I'm paying them and they are making fake ID for shipping and stealing my money? I'll ignore later. No, sign that does not happen. Which medium did you suggest to ship? Okay. DHL e-commerce. So if you wanted to do it through India, I recommend DHL e-commerce. If you wanted to start shipping through India, you can go with DHL e-commerce. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I'll meet you again. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a session. I'm not sure. I'll send you the details tomorrow as well. Okay. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the session. And we had nice one-to-one sessions today, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.